Hello, I am Raj Breno and you are watching Getesti. Today we are going to talk about the most beautiful YouTube subscribe animation on the planet. Yes, most beautiful YouTube subscribe animation on the planet. And it may help you to boost your YouTube subscribers. So, in this video, we see how this animation looks and why should we use this subscribe animation, and the last point is how to use this YouTube subscribe animation. So without any delay, let's see this beautiful animation. I am also using this subscribe animation. Look below and hit the red button for more beautiful and helpful upcoming videos. So the second point is, why should we use this YouTube subscribe animation? Very simple. It will help you to boost your YouTube subscriber. When your viewers will watch this beautiful animation again and again, then it is more likely that they will subscribe to your channel. Okay. So let's see how we can get this subscribe animation. This animation is provided by Sumppy.com. Right now giving 40% off. That's nice. And you don't need any software or a skill to edit this animation. Just give your YouTube channel URL and Sumppy will deliver your animation to you. And same day delivery available. And you can choose whether you want to show the number of subscribers in the animation or not. It's up to you. You can also order this animation in different languages. If you will order this animation, then you will get a transparent MOV file, a MP4 green screen file, and both files are in 4K resolution. Sound effect also included, and that's perfect. Also consider what I am saying, as we know that content is king. You should always try to give your best to your audience. Try to give valuable content to your audience. If you think you are creating good content, and I hope you are giving your best, then you should definitely try this beautiful subscribe animation. It will be very helpful. Remember, content is always king, okay? Now you must be thinking that if there are free subscribe animation available on the internet, then why would people buy Sumppy subscribe animation? And I think this is a good question. See, most of the subscribe animation that are available for free or paid on the internet are based on old YouTube interface that is neither looks good nor effective for today's smartphone audience. But Sumppy subscribe animation is based on the latest YouTube mobile interface and comes with subscribe, like and bell icon in just one animation, and that looks awesome. So what are you waiting for? Just go and get the animation for your channel. I hope you like and enjoy this video and it adds value to your YouTube journey. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.